Chad, can you hear me? Chad! Alright guys, Chad was at the pond in the sheriff's house, and all of a sudden he got pulled under, and I think it's the pond monster possibly that pulled him down, because this happened with Papa Jake. They got pulled under too, and I think it was the drainage system. So I'm trying to follow that drainage system right now and trying to see if Chad is on the other side. Alright guys, I think I'm on the right path because I've been seeing a lot of these pipes here where water are coming out. I feel like I just need to follow this, and I think that's where the drainage system will be, and I think Chad might be there. Let's try to hurry this up. There's another one here. Look, there's another one. I think we're on the right track. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want me to find Chad. All right, look, another one. All right guys, we're getting really close. Look, this pipe is actually on the ground, and I just need to follow this right here. It's going under the dirt. So I have to do a little bit of investigating to see where this goes. But come on. Chad? Chad? Are you in here? Oh no, this is a dead end. So I've been following the pipes and it led me here. I think I'm gonna actually give one of the sheriffs a call to see if they've seen Chad. Maybe he's back at their house again. Okay, I'm calling Steven. Still ringing. Oh, I got his voicemail. Hey Steven, this is V. I'm looking for Chad. He got sucked under the pond by the pond monster. I just wanted to know if you have seen Chad, or maybe Lizzie or Carter, if they have seen Chad. Give me a call back when you can, okay? All right, bye. I'm just gonna wait for one of them to call me back, and I'm just gonna continue looking for Chad. Oh, a text! Maybe he's one of the shares that got back to me. Let me see. It's Chad! Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh, he says, hey V, it's me, Chad. I found something really cool. Well, duh, I know it's you, Chad. It's from your cell phone. Okay, so I'm gonna write back, are you okay? He says, I'm fine, perfect health. Well, I'm really glad he's in perfect health, but that's really weird. So what happened? Okay, so he wrote back, I got sucked through the drainage pipe. I guess we guessed correctly, you know, like that's what I thought that happened. Same thing with Logan and Papa Jake. Okay, so I'm gonna write back. So it wasn't the pond monster? Let's see what he has to say about that. It'd be so crazy if he really felt or he saw the pond monster. Oh, okay, so he said, no, there's no pond monster. So I wonder who like pulled him down in the pond then, if it wasn't the pond monster. Okay, I'm gonna ask him where he is, because that's pretty important. What? This is a weird response. Take 50 steps north and 30 steps east. Why would Chad say such weird directions? You like, wouldn't he just say, I'm right here and go find me? Why is it steps? Oh, he says, I'm tracking the location on your phone. I don't know. I'm not even sure if Chad knows how to do that. But I mean, if he's tracking my location, then I guess I'll just follow it. Let me open up my compass. So right now I am facing east. North will be this way, so I'm gonna take 50 steps north. All right guys, so north is gonna be this way. Let's take 50 steps that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, it brought me here. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of breath and it's so hot. I'm in this container weird trailer thing. It's kind of scary because there's bars on the windows. And look, there's like a camera, a security camera over there. The doors are locked, the windows are locked, but I can see one that's kind of open, so I'm gonna try and go in there to see if Chad's in there. I'm not tall enough to see. Chad? Chad? I couldn't pull myself up. I think I need to work out more. I'm gonna try and go in the front door. Okay, that's locked. All right guys, I'm gonna try and pick this lock here to see if Chad's actually in there. I've been calling out his name. No one's responding, so I'm not quite sure if he's there or not. But let's see here. So there's two ends to this, so I'm gonna try both ends. So this one's a little large. I'm gonna try the smaller end. No, didn't work this time. All right, so I can't crack this open. Doesn't seem like anyone's in there. Chad's definitely not in there. And we'll take the 30 steps east to see where that leads me. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another abandoned container. This door is not locked. Let's see if we can go in. Okay, it's turning. Oh man, there's a lock right here. But let me see if Chad's actually in there before I try picking it. Chad! Chad! Are you in here? Chad! You guys should come look at this place. Doesn't look like Chad's in here. It looks like a storage unit with a bunch of random things. That's really weird. Why would Chad lead me here if he's not here? I wonder if he sent me the wrong direction. I wasn't really sure if he knows how to track my phone. That's really, oh, here's another text. It's Chad. You are getting hotter. Oh, well, obviously. No, just kidding. I can see you through the security camera. You can? Where are you? Chad! Chad, I'm right here. Can you see me? Look at the building across the street. All right. Oh, it's that building. That's weird. Oh, he must be looking at the security camera from that corner. That's really not across the street. It's kind of far, so I guess I'll just run towards there. It's really weird. Why didn't he just like send me to that place in the first place? Chad's just being really weird right now, you guys. But he's just weird in general, so. Chad! I'm coming! Okay, I am here. This says no trespassing. Why would Chad send me here? Before I go in, I want to ask you guys something. I'm getting that weird feeling. The hair on my neck started standing back up, but it's just, I don't know, Chad's being really weird right now. Can you guys let me know in the comments below if you think it's really Chad? Because he's acting extremely weird. Just let me know in the comments right now if you think it's Chad that's actually texting me. So I'm here to the building. There's bars, there's another lock. I'm not even gonna try and pick this lock, you guys. I'm just gonna text Chad because he's here. I'm here. There's a lock on the door. Let's see what he has to say about that. It's just really sketchy, you guys, because there's bars on the door. Like, why would Chad be here? And then I just noticed over here, there's a hole on the glass window and it's patched up. That's just really sketchy. Oh, here's Chad. Why is Chad sending me a riddle? This is so weird. I'm just gonna text him back. I'm like, just tell me where the keys are. I'm just questioning if that's even Chad's been texting me. I know you guys have helped me out a lot in the past videos, so I need your help right now again. Can you just let me know in the comments if this is really Chad that's texting me? Look, there's an A right there. Okay, I feel I'm looking for a T though, not A's. Okay, guys, I think I actually found the T that Chad's been texting about. Okay, since the T is right here, I think the key is probably somewhere on this tree, so I'm just gonna look for it. Is that it? I found it! The key! It was in this little crack right here. All right, let's go try it out. This is really weird, you guys. It looks like my grandpa's house or something. I'm gonna kind of text Chad that I'm here. I didn't find any like weird clues here, but I don't know why Chad's taking so long to text me back this time. And like, where am I? Why am I in this weird living room? Oh, text. It's from Chad. Wait a minute. It just disappeared. No, I saw a text. What the heck? Why did it disappear like that? Did you guys see the text? Let me know in the comments right now what the text said if you saw it, because I saw a text, now it just disappeared. That's weird. Somebody frame a dollar bill. Maybe it's the first dollar that I ever made on their job. People do that usually, but come here, you guys. This box here has a lock on it. There's a bunch of numbers and really weird symbols all over this box. Let me see if I can open it without cracking the lock. Of course, can't open it. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me. There's a 4-digit numbers right here. And you know, in our previous videos, there's been a ton of numbers that we encountered throughout our whole entire adventure. So I need you guys to comment down below right now which 4-number combination I should try. All right, I see a lot of comments below saying that I should try 1876 because that's the year that the abandoned town was established. So let's try that. Nope, that's not it. All right, so I need you guys' help again. Give me another number to try, you guys. While you guys are leaving a comment of another combination I should try out, I'm gonna look around here to see if there's any clues. Okay, I checked this whole entire living room. I didn't find any numbers or any clues that I can use for the combination lock. But you guys have been commenting 6446, which is from the vault video, which is a very good idea because I haven't thought about it at all. So I'm gonna try that out. It worked! Thanks, you guys. I can always count on you. Let's see what's in this box. Whoa, it's another cassette. Man, we've been finding a lot of these cassette. Oh, but I've never found a cassette with like weird symbols on them. I don't know if it's like this way, or do we read it this way or this way? I can't tell. Huh. Do these symbols look familiar to you guys? Comment down below if you recognize any of these symbols. I'm gonna text this to Chad to see if he recognized any of it. I found another cassette tape. I'm gonna take it with me. Whoa, that was the fast response. That was like the fastest response this whole entire time. Oh, he said, don't worry about it, just leave it there. Leave the cassette here? That's just really bizarre, you guys. You guys should let me know in the comments down below if I should take this cassette with me. Okay, a bunch of you guys have said that I should take the cassette tape with me, so I'm gonna do it. Great thinking. I thought the same thing. It was just really weird that Chad said not to bring it. We always keep all the weird clues that we find, you know, along all these adventures. Text. Go down to the basement. There are keys underneath the table. I need them. All right, maybe he already found something cool and he needs the keys for them. So all around this whole entire living room, there is this one door. So I guess this is the only door that will probably lead to the basement. So let's go. This basement is really dark, but I guess most basements are always dark. Let me turn on my flashlight here. I can't really see where I'm going, but I'm feeling around and there's more bars. All right, I'm just gonna crawl around because it's kind of a tight space. I don't even know if I should go in here because there's bars, it's really dark, I'm by myself. It's kind of scary. But if Chad says that he needs the keys and I need to help him, I think I'm just gonna have to do it. All right, I just gotta be brave. Let's just do it. It's so dark. I have to feel my way around here. Okay. I think I'm turning a corner here. Different type of wall. Oh, I bumped into something. Oh, it's the table. Oh, this must be the table he's talking about. Let's see if there's any keys underneath here. I don't see any keys in here. Whoa! Did you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, Chad? Chad, is that you? Chad? Chad? There's all these bars. Wait a minute.